Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic downloads so you can download your games and updates when your Xbox is turned off. So this applies to the system and your game. So go to Settings, then go to General, and go on over to Power Options. Then we want to set to sleep mode. So this will download your games and updates when your Xbox is turned off. And it does use a low power state. So set it to sleep mode and go to Customize Power Options. Go to Keep My Console Up to Date. And then this is the crucial step. Keep my games and apps up to date. Make sure this is check marked so we can actually download this when our Xbox is turned off. So we should be good to go then. And then you can see I have a game downloading. Maybe it's not. It's already done downloading because it was in rest mode or it was in the sleep mode. So you can see Halo Master Chief Collection right there. So let's go to My Games and Apps to see everything. And I am good to go. I can start playing now. And there's nothing in my queue. Now I do have some updates right here. I haven't played for a while. I believe if you don't play your games for 28 days, it's not going to automatically update the game. So it has to be your recent games. Otherwise you have to come to this section and hit Update All. And you can update everything. So I haven't used my Xbox for a while. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.